What's in the box? It's a kazoo? Oh, I like that. I'm a musician now. You can call me Hamtoven. What would your song sound like? Oh, that's a very, very good song. Come back and let's make up songs again soon. I'll be here, making up my masterpiece. See you next time, giggle friends.